Let's be real, passive income is not a myth, but most people are chasing it the wrong way. They are buying courses, reading blogs, and wasting time on stuff that does not work. Here is the thing, one of the best ways to create real scalable passive income is through mobile apps. And before you think, but I'm not a developer, let me stop you right there. You don't need to be. Stick with me for the next 3 minutes and I'll show you exactly how to turn a simple app idea into consistent passive income without coding a single line by yourself. Let's go! Here is the formula for passive income with apps. Number 1. Solve a problem. Stop trying to build the next Instagram or TikTok. Focus on utility apps, things people need, a habit trackers, a budget planner, a fitness coach. Simple ideas, but they solve real problems. Go with no code. Platforms like Bobble, Edalo, Funkable lets you build apps without coding. You can drag and drop and launch. No tech degree, no team, just execution. Step 3, which is monetize smartly. Your app does not need to go viral. With a subscription model, say $5 a month, you only need 1,000 users to generate $5,000 a month. That's a passive income. Small audience, big impact. And yes, it's really that simple if you focus on solving the right problem. Let me make this even more easier for you. Here is your roadmap. Step 1. Research problems. Look around you. What's annoying people? What's time consuming? Go to Reddit, Quora, or even App Store reviews to find pain points. Step 2. Analyze the idea. Before you build anything, ask, will people pay for this? Use free tools like Google Forms or surveys in Facebook group to test demand. Step 3. Build fast, launch faster. Pick a no-code platform, follow a YouTube tutorial, or talk with people like me and get an MVP out in just 2 weeks or few weeks. Don't aim for perfect, aim for done. You can always improve it later. Step 4. Monetize and automate. Add in-app purchases, ads, or subscriptions. Then let automation tools like Zapier or Make.com handle your marketing and customer support. This is how you keep the income passive. And here is the thing, most people fail because they don't even start. So please don't be that person. Now you have made it this far, so here's the real secret to creating passive income with apps. Don't focus on the app, focus on the audience. If you have an audience, even 500 followers on LinkedIn or 1,000 people in a Facebook group, you already have the potential customers. Build for them, not for everyone. Why? Because building an app is not hard. Getting people to use it, that's the game. And when you start with the niche audience, you are already won the game. So here's what you do. Write down 3 problems with people have around you. Pick one and research if people will pay for a solution. Open a no-code platform this weekend and start building. No excuses, no waiting, because while most people are scrolling TikTok, the smart ones are creating apps and stacking cash. And the only question now left is, which one are you? And if you have any questions, you can either comment here or you can book a call directly with me. I have shared the booking link just below this video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and share with those who are looking to make your next app. Bye.